Product has to be safe to the human body. Second thing is efficacy. Whenever you are consuming iPulse, it has to give you a lot of health benefits. Third thing, whenever the product is giving you the health benefits and safety, we have to have a publication on the product. We have to publish the article so that each and every one of you and even the doctors outside read the product, read about the trial, read about the product and understand this is how the wellness products are acting inside the human body. This is what is exactly called the importance of clinical trial. So whatever is told verbally, when it is when it is coming on a white paper, that has a real value. This is called as the publication or the proof of concept. So this is what is the importance of clinical trials. In fact, the second phase of clinical trials is on right now. We are doing our clinical trials in the major hospitals across India. So the first and the foremost major hospital that we are doing our trial is called as the Narayana Hrudayalaya, which is nothing but one of the best cardiac centers that we have. So in India. So it is also recognized by the Clinical Trial Registry of India, CTRI, in almost all the trials, in fact. So we are also doing the trials at the Dr. Ambedkar Medical College, KIMS, Bangalore Medical College, Oxford Medical College. These are some of the places in Bangalore. We also are doing the the trials in JIPMER, which is in Pondicherry, RIMS in Andhra Pradesh. So these are some of the areas where we have selected the sites for these clinical trials, and the second phase of clinical trials is happening out there. In fact, all the clinical trials of the product are registered with the Clinical Trial Registry of India, or CTRI. This is what is the most important thing. The CTRI comes under the department of ICMR, which is Indian Council of Medical Research. You might be listening to all these words these days. During the coronavirus period, even when you switch on a news channel, they'll be talking about ICMR. They'll be talking about CTRI. So these are the organization, my dear friends, where even our products are going to get registered in near future. So when we announce this, you can directly go into the ICMR or the CTRI websites. Then you can find out the information on our wonderful wellness products, my dear friends. This is how exactly this particular things are going to work out. So not only this, Indus Viva has a lot of certifications as well. So basically, there are 4 important certifications that people have to know who are watching me right now. So Indus Viva has the Halal certificate, first of all. See, Indus Viva is no longer a local company. It is a global company today. We have operations spreading across the globe. So whenever Indus Viva is spreading global, these certifications play a very important role. Not only in India, it is for global as well. So suppose if Indus Viva is opening a branch in Africa or Middle Eastern countries for that matter, Halal certification is very much required. So we have the Halal certificate. We also have the kosher certification. As you all know that Indus Viva has successfully launched Indus Viva INC in the US, where we have launched our wonderful product Ayurved. So for launching this product Ayurved in the US, we require the kosher certification. We have the kosher certification with us. So suppose if you are interested to learn more about Ayurved, I will be coming live every Friday night at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which will be around about 11:30 a.m. in the morning in the United States of America. So this is how Ayurved can be, the knowledge about Ayurved can be enhanced. So people who are interested can log on to Facebook, our Indus Viva's INC Facebook page. You might be knowing there are 2 Facebook pages. One is Indus Viva /Vibrant Viva. The second is Indus Viva INC. Please like and subscribe to the page. Every Friday night at 10 p.m. I'll be coming live speaking about our wonderful product Ayurved to the US distributors as well. Indian distributors can also join them. So the third certification that we have is ISO 9001:2018. So now the 2015 is getting revised. Because of this COVID-19 lockdown situation, the process is a bit delayed, but still 2015 holds good, my dear friends. So don't have to worry about it. 2015 still holds good because of the lockdown period right now. So ISO certification is normally given for maintaining the quality of the company as well as the products. That is the reason why Indus Viva is called as an ISO rated company. So which means that we have the ISO 9001 for the office as well as ISO 22001 for the factory as well. So the fourth important certification that we have is called as GMP, or the Good Manufacturing Practices. This is because Indus Viva manufactures its own products. We have our own manufacturing facility. We don't outsource it anywhere. We have our own factory in Bangalore. We manufacture our products. At the same point of time, we market our products also. I hope the point is clear to you. So this is called as a good manufacturing practices certification. So suppose if someone is interested to get these certifications, we are happy to help out. Please reach us out on doctor@indusviva.com, doctor@indusviva.com, and ask for these 4 certifications. We will be happy to mail you these certifications. The PDFs of these certifications will be mailed to you. You can take a printout or you can circulate this on social media or the WhatsApp. Then for your promotional purposes, you can use this. So I hope the point is clear. Please mail us at doctor@indusviva.com. We will be happy to help on this. We will be sending you all these 4 certifications for your promotional activities. So let us start with the first product, my dear friends. Well, before that, let me tell you some of the important definitions of Indus Viva's products. The first definition is preventive. Indus Viva products are called as preventive products, which is nothing but prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. That is called as preventive products. They are called as holistic products. These are the products which function from head till the toe. As I told you, immunity is a concept which is there in each and every cell of your body. It is not, somewhere localized inside your body. So it is a holistic product, which is a complete product from head till the toe. It is an alternative product, which is safe alternative. It can be used along with other kind of medications as well. It is a complementary product as well. For example, it is having additional benefits. For example, if you are using eye coffee for reducing your blood sugar, automatically the blood pressure is also controlled. This is called as complementary products, or otherwise called as augmented benefits or additional benefits. This is how Indus Viva's products are positioned inside the market. These are the 4 important definitions of Indus Viva's products that everybody needs to know. Preventive, holistic, alternative, and complementary. Please try to use these definitions in each and every product promotion that you are doing. You have to convey this to the prospects as well as the people, the customers, what you have. That these products are not like the normal medicines that you have. These products are preventive in nature. These products are holistic in nature. These products are alternative in nature. These products are complementary in nature. This is how you need to convey the definitions of these products. I hope my point is clear to you all. So let us start with the first product, my dear friends, now. iPulse. Well, as you all know that iPulse is always my pulse. So I hope everybody's pulse rate is proper right now. So your pulse rate is proper, your blood pressure will be proper. When your blood pressure will be proper, automatically your heart functioning will be proper. Why I am telling you this point is, pulse is always related to your heart. I mean, the pulse which is there in your body is always related to your heart. At the same point of time, the product iPulse is also related to your heart. That is the reason why we have named it as iPulse, which is very close to your heart. So iPulse is the best immune boosting and antioxidant multi-fruit blend in juice form. iPulse possesses a holistic and synergistic combination of 15 fruits. This is what iPulse is all about. Well, during the Corona Zamana, we have always been talking about the the immunity part of it. But you should not forget the cardioprotective part of iPulse, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you. So antioxidants and heart health play a very important role. As I told you, iPulse is a product which is very near and dear to the heart. So antioxidants and heart health also play a very important role on this. So everybody knows what heart diseases are, but people have a lot of misinformation on this. People think heart problem means it is only heart attack. Very, very wrong. Heart attack or cardiac arrest is the end stage of a heart problem. It is not the beginning stage, it is the end stage of a heart problem. But what is the beginning stage? They are nothing but the reasons of heart disease. On the screen, whatever you are seeing right now, they are nothing but the reasons of heart disease. Starting from diabetes, addictions like smoking and tobacco, hypertension, high cholesterol, lack of exercise, unhealthy eating pattern, stress or lack of sleep, breathlessness on exertion, breathlessness or cough on lying down, swelling in the leg, puffiness of the face, excessive fatigue, bloating, and weight gain. See, whatever the points that you are seeing right now here, these are nothing but the reasons. We call them as the root causes or the reasons for heart problems. So, whenever you control these reasons for the heart problems, automatically the cardiac arrest or heart attack will not come in the future. This is how the heart attacks come in the future. So what is the importance of iPulse here? Whenever you are consuming iPulse on a regular basis, you are trying to control the reasons for the heart problems. That is very important. See, heart attack or cardiac arrest is the last stage, but all these reasons, what you are seeing on the screen, they are the reasons, they are the beginning stage. So iPulse is a wonderful product which can cut down, which can control these reasons so that even in the future, you will not be able to suffer from any kind of a cardiac ailment. This is what is exactly called as iPulse, my dear friends. We are cutting the root cause of the disease. This is very important. Disease is the different aspect. Disease is something else, but cutting the root cause of the disease is very important. That is what we are doing with the help of iPulse. I hope my point is clear to you. What are antioxidants? When you see this slide, antioxidants are molecules, in fact. They are capable of reducing the stress. What happens to the human body when it undergoes stress is you develop something called as oxidative stress. Whenever the oxidative stress happens in the human body, free radicals are liberated. That is when antioxidants come into play. Whenever the free radicals are liberated inside the human body, there are natural antioxidants which are present inside the human body itself. These natural antioxidants will help in controlling the stress. But when the stress becomes too much, these natural antioxidants which are present inside the body, they will not be able to function normally. That is the reason why you have to consume antioxidants from outside. Whenever you are consuming antioxidants from outside, automatically the antioxidants which are present inside the body, their numbers will increase. This is where the importance of iPulse comes. iPulse is actually called as a dietary antioxidant. I hope my point is clear to you. iPulse is actually called as a dietary antioxidants, which means it will increase the antioxidants which are present inside your body so that the body will get the best immunity, the best resistance in order to fight against all kinds of dreadful infections in the future. I hope my point is clear to you. This is what is called as antioxidant theory. Let us go ahead, friends, now. The most important ingredient which is present in iPulse is called as acai berry. Acai berry is a superfruit which is found only in the Amazon rainforests of South America. It is one of the best cardiac support or heart support ingredient. It is the best antioxidant for anti-aging support. It has an ORAC score of more than 1 lakh, 1,02,700, which is 1,000 times more than that of watermelon, my dear friends. Not only this, acai berry destroys the cancer cells, which are seen in most of the in vitro assays. It is a very good immune system support. It is inspired by the space drink AS10, which is given to the NASA scientists or the astronauts who are going into the space, wherein the drink is actually protecting them from all kinds of solar radiations. And in fact, this particular acai berry is used as a food supplement for centuries. And there are a lot of publications which are seen on this wonderful ingredient called as this acai berry, my dear friends. I hope the point of acai berry is known to you now. Going ahead, what is the quantity of acai berry that is used in iPulse? We use 14% of acai berry freeze-dried powder in iPulse. You are seeing a tree on the left side. What we do is we remove the fruits from the tree. We freeze these fruits to minus 80 degrees centigrade. Whenever it is freezed to minus 80 degrees centigrade, it becomes stone hard. We powder the fruits. This powder is called as the freeze-dried powder. This powder is having 100% natural elements of acai berry, and it is as fresh as the same acai berry which is found on the tree, which means whatever the quality of the acai berry fruit which is present on the tree is present in the bottle of iPulse, my dear friends. This is what is the importance of acai berry freeze-dried powder. This is a very novel and a very expensive and innovative technology that is actually used so far as acai berry freeze-dried powder is concerned. I hope my point is clear to you all. So 14% of acai berry is used in our product. Remaining 6% are the other fruit pulps that we are using, that I'll tell you in the next slides. So far as ORAC value is concerned, the World Health Organization gives a data that each and every human being should consume 5,000 ORAC units every day. If you want to consume 5,000 ORAC units, you have to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh organic garden fruits on a daily basis. But is it possible for an average human being to consume 3.5 kgs of organic fruits on a daily basis? Absolutely not. That is the reason why whenever you are consuming 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, you are getting 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants, not 5,000 friends, 7,000 ORAC units on on a daily basis. Why I'm telling you this is the remaining 2000 units are stored in your liver. Actually, the liver in the human body is one of the biggest organs. This liver is actually called as a dustbin. You have all dustbin in your house. Similarly, the human body also has a dustbin called as liver. Whatever we are eating from here will go and accumulate in your liver. There might be good things, there might be bad things also. That is the reason why you have to purify your liver all the times. Whenever your liver is purified, automatically the body will not suffer from any kind of a disease in future. That is the reason why this 2000 ORAC units extra what we are giving you is stored in your liver. It detoxifies your liver so that the body will not suffer from any kind of a disease in future, my dear friends. This is what is the importance of iPulse and the ORAC score. So going ahead, as I told you, acai berry is 14%. There are 14 other fruits in the product. It might be pineapple, pear, blackberry, blueberry, pomegranate, strawberry, apples, kiwi fruit, white grape, cherries, bananas, concord grape, orange, and mulberry. The remaining 14 fruits is equal to 6%. So acai berry was 14%, remaining fruits 6%. Totally, the fruit concentration in iPulse is 20%. So how much? It is 20%. I hope the point is clear to you. If someone asks you what is the percentage of fruit present in iPulse, you can tell them 20%. So going ahead, friends, as I told you, disease is one part. The root cause of the disease is the other part. Free radicals are actually called as the root causes of the disease. These free radicals are liberated when the body undergoes stress. I think everybody is undergoing stress these days. Either staying at home or working outside, the stress is actually seen everywhere. That is the reason why when the body undergoes oxidative stress, free radicals are liberated. So whenever the free radicals are entering into the brain, the human body can have Alzheimer's disease, the Parkinson's disease, and so on. Whenever the free radicals are penetrating into the heart, you will have heart attacks, cardiac arrest, high blood pressure. Similarly, whenever the free radicals are penetrating the kidneys, you will have a lot of kidney related issues. Whenever the free radicals are penetrating into the skin, you will have wrinkles, you will have acne, you will have dermatitis. Whenever the free radicals are affecting your joints, you will have arthritis. It might be rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis. Whenever the free radicals are affecting your immune system, you will have a lot of asthma, allergies, and everything. So whenever the free radicals are affecting different parts of your body, different diseases are manifested. So free radicals are actually considered as the root causes of the diseases. So what does iPulse do? Whenever you are consuming 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, iPulse will neutralize these free radicals. These free radicals will be destroyed and neutralized, because of which the human body will not suffer from any kind of dreadful diseases or infections in the future. This is how iPulse will fight the free radicals and neutralize them. I hope my point is clarified to everybody. So going ahead, friends, there are a lot of benefits of iPulse. The first and the foremost thing is cardiovascular benefits. It strengthens the heart, it inhibits the platelet aggregation, it reduces the bad cholesterol levels. This is also very important. It has a lot of antioxidant benefits. As I told you, it protects each and every cell of the human body. It has a lot of immune boosting benefits as well. So it normally fights against the bacteria, fights against the viruses. It enhances the cellular communication. It builds the proteins as well, reduces the swelling or the inflammation also. So the next thing is, it also has a lot of anti-cancer benefits, especially improving the quality of life in cancer patients is a very important thing. The QOL, as we call, the quality of life. This is very important. So normally the cancer patients will have a lot of secondary complaints, like their digestion is improper, their metabolism is improper. In such conditions, whenever you are consuming iPulse, the secondary conditions will be minimized so that their lifestyle can be improved, their quality of life can be improved, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as anti-cancer benefits. It also has a lot of nervous system benefits, like strengthening the memory, improving the mental clarity. And the final thing, it also has a lot of anti-diabetic benefits, very important, especially anti-diabetic benefits in the sense it combats the complications of diabetes. There are three important complications. Fourth one is also added these days. The first complication is retinopathy, which happens inside the retina of the eyes. The second thing is neuropathy, which affects the nerves. The third thing is nephropathy, which affects the kidneys. Now the fourth thing is also there right now. Complication is there called as enteropathy. That is the reason why most of the diabetic people have loose motions or diarrhea regularly. This is called as enteropathy. So anti-diabetic complications can also be, people with diabetes can also use this IPULS for reducing the diabetic complications also. So coming to the next slide, my dear friends. For diabetes people, IPULS can be definitely used, but always use 20 ml in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before dinner. This is how IPULS should be used for diabetic people. It is 20 ml twice daily, not 30 ml twice daily. I hope my point is clear to you all. So far as the blood pressure is concerned, suppose